Quanzhou Jingli Engineering Machinery Company Limited is a China-leading and professional manufacturer and exporter of wheel excavator, crawler excavator, sugarcane harvester, and sugarcane grapple loader, log grabber wheel loader for almost 20 years. Concerned with the design, development, and production kinds of machines. We also can provide OEM and ODM services to worldwide partner, and our main markets include Southern Asia, South America, Africa, Middle East, and Oceania, etc., countries and areas. We are located in the starting point of Maritime Silk Road, Quanzhou, China. Covering an area of 60,000 square meters. We now have over 300 employees and an annual sales figure that exceeds 60 to 80 million US dollars. Annual excavators output can be around 2,000 to 3,000 sets. Such as in Philippines, we already exported over 500 sets of excavators successfully per year, and we have our sole sales agent in the country, so then we can offer better and more after-service in the future. Excellent logistics services by sea, air, railway, or road. Ensuring timely delivery of consignments all over the world. Comprehensive after-sales service, including 1-year warranty, spare parts supply, installment and maintenance and training. An expertly managed ERP system, and a well-coordinated quality control system to satisfy various client requirements. All of our products comply with international quality standards and are greatly appreciated in a variety of markets around the world. We are currently exporting 60 to 80% of our products worldwide. Our well-equipped facilities and excellent quality control throughout all stages of production enable us to guarantee total customer satisfaction. Besides, we have received ISO 9001 certification. As a result of our high-quality products and outstanding customer service, we have gained a global sales network in many countries. If you are interested in any of our products or would like to discuss a custom order, please feel free to contact us. We are looking forward to forming successful business relationships with new clients around the world in the near future. We sincerely hope to cooperate, develop together, and build a good future with you. China Jinggong is your best choice for all kinds of excavators in China.